Hi friends. Welcome to Trust Purchasing. Mother's Backpack. This is breathable and non-stuffy cotton pad design, waterproof. There are multiple pockets, and a divider in the pockets to keep your belongings organized. It can neatly store diapers, bottles, milk powder, clothes, etc. The top has a wide opening, side pockets for convenient storage of small items. Zippered pocket in the places that makes it easy to access your smartphone or wallet. This women's backpack has an external USB port, with built-in charging cable, making it more convenient and easy to charge your phone without removing the power bank. This instantly becomes a bed, when you lie down, nap, or change diapers. If you are mom, this backpack you should need. Use the baby monitor to perform household chores with confidence. This display is larger and easier to read. High resolution allows you to see your baby's screen. Even if your baby cries, it will immediately give you a hint and rest assured. The baby monitor has a 110 degrees wide-angle camera and is equipped with a movable camera and a left and right shooting range of approximately 350 degrees. Night vision mode automatically activates infrared light that does not interfere with at night. The baby monitor has a night vision function, so the baby camera can keep your baby safe even in dark rooms. No need to set it up at the beginning, and you can use it by linking the power supply. The baby monitor has a temperature sensor, and can adjust the alarm temperature. If room temperature is too high or too low, it will alert you, so please take care of your baby. This is protect your baby and relax your mind, save your time. You can't do without this. You can easily suck a runny nose with a stable force. Electric nasal suction device, and set of transparent silicone nozzles fit small baby's nose. Compact so you can use it with one hand, while holding a baby, and it is convenient to carry. You can suck it with the push of a button, so even beginners can easily do it. This electric nasal part, such as the attached silicone nozzle and packing, can be removed and washed, so maintenance is easy. Baby Smile medical device certification number and code put on the description below. It is not sucked by mouth. Adults do not have to worry about inhaling the baby's runny nose, reducing the risk of secondary infections. You can use it even at night without worrying about your neighborhood. Your baby has a running nose, you should need this. Baby Smile, it's a family smile.
Where are you headed?
Brazil. I can't wait to travel the world. There's so much to explore and so much to learn. I want to go on an African safari.
I'm the African elephant. I live as long as 70 years.
Orbit 3D Earths. Globe takes your child on a journey around the world. An early learning globe for imaginative and curious kids. You can develop world geography, environmental science, general education, social science, and cultural sensibility. If you're looking for an educational toy for kids or a unique gift, Orbit 3D Earth, this is for you.
Open up a jet engine. Learn origami. Taste the best sushi. And fill up my passport. Gotta go, time to pack my bags again.
Jamjake iPad Pencil has improved precision sensitivity and abrasion resistance, allowing you to draw natural notes and drawings without losing a single line or detail, making it ideal for drawing. It can also be used without connecting via Bluetooth. No need to set up any troublesome settings, it is very easy to turn on. This iPad Pro stylus with magnetic suction function, convenient to store and carry on business, trips, meetings, etc. USB-C rechargeable and long time use. This pencil should be your life easier. This toothbrush comes with a rainbow light that allows you to create a habit of brushing your teeth with a fun and enjoyable texture. It can be used from the beginning of your baby's teeth You can use it as early as you can develop a habit. Habit is never change. Mom, try this. This sonic electric toothbrush vibrates approximately 16,000 times per minute. Press the switch once, rainbow light flashing, press it again, white LED lights start to light up and vibrate. Waterproof for everyday use even in bathrooms. Kids' teeth is very important. Protect the teeth, it is our duty. Thank you for watching. Check the link. Subscribe, share, like and comment below.